Welcome back to TECHMIMIC, where you can simply view, imitate and replicate, and get on with your day. If you are running FreeBSD in a virtual machine, it is a common problem that your mouse pointer just refuses to move in your desktop manager, in this case XFCE. Luckily, there is a simple fix to this that requires some configuration inside and outside of the virtual machine. I will demonstrate this for both QEMU/KVM via the Virtual Machine Manager and Virtualbox. As you can see, although XFCE has fully started without any visible issues, the mouse simply refuses to move. Open a terminal window. That is possibly a bit challenging without a mouse, so press Ctrl and F2 on your keyboard, or send Ctrl plus F2 to the virtual machine via the Virtual Machine Manager. Now log in. In this example, I'm simply going to use root and shut down the machine manually with the command shutdown -h now. Give it a few seconds, and when needed, power off the virtual machine via the Virtual Machine Manager. In Virtual Machine Manager, open the detailed settings of the virtual machine and make sure that there is a virtual input device of the type EV-Touch USB graphics tablet, even if you are just using your regular mouse and no tablet at all. The configuration in the Virtualbox is a little bit different. Open the settings of the virtual machine, click User Interface, and make sure that under Input the option Mouse Integration is checked. Click OK to save the changes. Now start the virtual machine again. Log in, but the mouse pointer is still not moving. To fix it, we now need to install two small packages. Log in and type the command pkg install utouch-kmod space xf86-input-evdev. To make sure that every time when the machine is started the mouse will work, open the file /boot/loader.conf and add a line utouch_load equals yes. Yes in capitals, and take care about the double quotes. Save the file, restart the virtual machine. And after the reboot, your mouse pointer should now play well with others. That's it, hope it helped, and if it did, please like the video and keep it up. Bye!